Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Watch window. Under the Formulas tab in the Calculation section, we can see the button for Watch window. Watch window lets us see the value of a cell no matter which sheet we are in. Let's click on the watch window, and as you can see there is nothing currently, but when I select E5, which is the discount rate, and add watch, it will show me the cell reference, and when I click OK, it shows the name of the file, the sheet, and name of the cell if there was a name, and the cell reference, the value, and also the formula if there was one. Let's do the same for the tax percent as well. We'll click on the cell and click on Add Watch, and it will show us the file name, sheet, cell, and value. When I go to a different sheet, you can see that watch window is still here and it shows us the values here. Now if we change the value, you can see that it has changed in the watch window and still appears if we change the sheet. Let's bring another value of total units here and add the sum from this sheet. When we are done with adding the sheet, adding the formula, you can see the total number of units here, and let's add this to the watch window. And when we change anything in this sheet, the total changes, and hence in the watch window, you can see that the value of that cell also changed. Even though if it is not in this sheet, we can still see what the value of that cell is. This option works across multiple windows as well. We have to make sure that it is open at the time. This is watch window on Excel. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.